Ahoy! I'm throwing this video together here and I just realized I never filmed an intro, so we're gonna hop on the scooter, we're gonna go down to the highway, we're gonna check out the underpass where the train tracks are, do a lot of steel wool and light painting down there. And then there's like some woods and a pond that we're also gonna go check out. So like I said, let's hop on the scooter and let's go see it. Way too loud to hear me down here, but I figure I'd take you in the daytime to one of my favorite spots. Why not, right? Down underneath the overpass, there's always the graffiti and shit here. A bunch of just dumb shit. Kids love to swear, right? So, yeah. Got a couple cool spots I always hit up down here, so I'll take you to them. It's funny being like 40, still hanging out down here, because I used to come here with my cousins. When I was little, my grandma lived way down the railroad tracks, so we'd walk down here. Still the only one here. The famous dick on the wall gets in a lot of my shots right down this way. It's funny, there's a name on the wall there. I went to school with that girl. It's gotta be her. Always cracks me up. I haven't been up here in the daytime in ages though, so the booty call bridge, do drugs. Bunch of birds. Venus. I don't know what Venus is, but fuck them kids. Yeah, dude. Right here. Yeah, when I was down here not too long ago spinning, I made a little stand with the rock. It's already been destroyed, but I might have kicked it over actually, making sure a truck or a train didn't have to fuck with it, you know? Being a responsible person. So I never come over to this side. There's cool shit though. Spray paint just looks neat. Okay. So there's a couple houses over here that when you're doing stuff at night, you're right in their line of sight. And I try not to fuck with that instead, you know? Over that way. I think we're gonna head that way here in a minute. I'm gonna drink some water and figure out the best way to navigate the grass. Holy fucking bright out here, dude. Bunch of bees. I don't know if this fucking pond is going to be anything or not. I've only ever seen it on Google Maps. Let's get down into the trees. Definitely like a deer run right here. Whoa. There's a fence. Okay. Fucking A. Walden Road. That old ass shit, dude. Man, this is a big drop off right here. I mean, not huge, but this might be where the pond is at. It's that weird, like, oh, there's a pond here. Bunch of cattails and shit, but there's water. I have legit always wondered if anything was over here. You know, Google Maps can be so outdated with some of its pictures. Hot as fuck today. This is that drop off here. Saw some kind of animal over there. Alright, well. Okay. Stabbing me. So I think the water normally comes up here. Looks like we're walking on marsh. Shit. Definitely a little like animal run or something right here though. It's crazy how there's just trash everywhere, dude. People need to get their shit together. Not just like individuals, but as a society, you know what I mean? So the railroad tracks aren't too far that way. Let's see what point. But it's such like thick woods, I've always kind of wondered what was right here. So, got that little pond that's over here, but so many cattails to get out to that. But there's some clearing here. It's fucking spray paint on the ground and stuff. Like, you can tell the youths come back here and hang out. The youths definitely like it. It's been a while. That spray paint can is very rusty. But yeah. Getting torn up by bugs out here. This might be an easier route. I don't know. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Bunch of fucking pokey motherfuckers. That sucked. Definitely do like some, you know, like urban camping there for sure. It's kind of a struggle. See, so we're up there at the top of the hill there. Worked our way down and around. That was fucking exciting, wasn't it? So it really sucked my scooter is going. Squad, there you go. Follow me for a long time. You know that one. Instagram. Alright, so that is where I come to a lot at night to do some steel wool and shit. You can get away with steel wool down here because stones, there's never anybody fucking around, you know. But yeah, loud as hell and nobody around. So there you go. Throw another time lapse of that ride home.